Here's how to verify your account on Binance, step by step. First, open the Binance app or go to Binance.com and log in or sign up for a new account. From the home page, tap your profile icon in the top left, then select Identification or Verify. Binance will show you your current verification level. Tap Start Now to begin the process. Select your country of residence, then enter your full legal name, date of birth, and home address. Next, upload a photo of your governmental issued ID, like a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Then, take a real-time selfie or complete facial recognition using your phone's camera to confirm your identity. Submit the form and wait. Binance usually reviews and approves your verification within a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, your account will be fully verified and you'll be able to access higher withdrawal limits, P2P trading, and Launchpad access. And that's how to verify your Binance account. Fast, secure, and required for full platform access. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.